Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a ping pong game. Okay, let's start. First, we want to link our CSS and JavaScript. After that, we are going to create a canvas. The game will conduct in that canvas. Let's create that canvas and give a class name. I'm giving canvas and set the width and height of the canvas. Width is equal to 100, width is equal to 400 and height is equal to 400. Now we can style our canvas. So let's style our canvas. Padding is equal to 0 and margin is 0 and our canvas background color is black. Now this is our canvas, and we are going to JavaScript and we write our logic of the game. First, we are going to bring our canvas from HTML, and let's create a variable called canvas const canvas is equal to document.querySelector, and our canvas class name is canvas, and we are creating a variable called ctx for canvas context, and let ctx is equal to canvas dot get context and 2D, and we are set the canvas width and height in two variables. Now let's create that. Let canvas width is equal to canvas dot width, and let canvas height is equal to canvas dot height. Okay, now we are going to create our ball. And first of all, we want to set the position, radius and direction of our ball, and let's create that. Let ball x, this is our x position of our ball, is canvas width by 2, and let ball y is equal to canvas height by 2. Let's create a variable called ball radius to give our radius of the ball. Let ball radius is equal to 10, and let's make two variables for direction of our ball. Let ball x direction is equal to positive 2, and let ball y direction is equal to negative 2. Okay, now we are going to draw our ball. Let's create a function called draw ball. Okay, let's start to create our ball. ctx dot begin path, ctx dot begin path, ctx dot arc, this will draw our circle. We want to set the position and put x position is equal to ball x position, and y position is equal to ball y, and the ball radius, this will be radius of our ball, 0, and math dot pi into 2. And let's give color to our ball. ctx dot fill style is equal to, I'm giving the red color to our ball, red. Let's fill that. ctx dot fill ctx dot close path. Let's call the function to check our ball is drawn or not. Draw ball. Yeah, here is our ball, and we are going to make the ball move. So let's make our ball move. The x direction of the ball is equal to ball x plus is equal to ball x direction, and ball y plus is equal to ball y direction. And let's set an interval. Set interval. Let's call the function draw ball in every 10 milliseconds. Yeah. Now our draw ball function is draw the ball, but it continuously drawing in every 10 milliseconds. So we want to fix that issue. So ctx dot clear rect 0 0 canvas width and canvas height. Yes, we created that, but our ball is still going the outside of the canvas. We can fix that if ball x greater than or equal to, if ball x greater than or equal to canvas width, or ball x less than 0, then our ball want to go to the opposite side. Ball x direction is equal to minus ball x direction. Let's check. Yeah, look, it's bouncing and going to upward. Now let's create a function for our y direction also. If ball y greater than canvas height, or ball y less than 0, ball yd is equal to minus ball yd. Yeah, now our ball is bouncing. Now we are going to create our paddle, two paddles for player 1 and player 2. Let's create the paddle 1. Let paddle 1 x, the x position of paddle equal to 0, and let paddle 1 y is equal to 0. Then we are going to create two variables for width and height of our paddle one. Let paddle width is equal to 25 and let paddle height is equal to 100. You can set your height. Yeah, now let's create our paddle 2. Yeah, let's copy paste this. Let's create that. 2 2 2, and let's create the position canvas dot width minus, and the y position in canvas height minus paddle 2 paddle 1 height paddle height. Yeah, now let's draw our paddle. Let's create a function draw paddle ctx dot begin path ctx dot rect. We are creating a rectangle rect, and let's give the position paddle 1x paddle 1y and paddle 1 width and paddle 1 height. This is our first paddle. Let's create our second paddle. Okay, let's change the name. Paddle to x, paddle to y, paddle to width, and paddle to height. Okay, let's give a color. ctx dot fill style. I'm giving blue color, blue, and fill that ctx dot fill and ctx dot close path. Let's call our function draw paddle. Yeah, here it is. These are our two paddles. Now it's not moving, and we want to make this paddle move. Let's create a key event. Let's create a function move paddle e. So before that, we want to create our boolean values. If we press our node, let player 1 up is equal to true, let player 1 down is equal to true, and let's create this for the second paddle also. Pair 2 here. Now let's create our and now we are going to make our event keys. If player 1 up paddle up is true, then it will run. If e dot key is equal to arrow up. If e dot key is equal to arrow, sorry, it's spelling mistake, arrow up, then our paddle 1y plus is equal to 100. Now let's check this. Sorry, first we have to create our add event listener document dot add event listener key up and our function move paddle. Now let's check that. Yeah, sorry, here minus equal to for up. Let's check. Yeah, it's going up. Now let's create for downside. Let's copy it. If player 1 down, then this will be arrow down. Here player plus equal to 100. Now let's check that. Yeah, now it's going up and down. Let's create the statement for our paddle 2. Let's copy it and paste here. Player 2 up, player 2 down, and let's change this. If e dot key code is equal to 87, the key code of the W is equal to 87. So when we press the W, our paddle 2 will go upside, and e dot key code is equal to 83. This is the key code of 83 is the key code of S. When we press S, our paddle 2 will go downside. When we press W, it will go upward. Let's check that. Oh, sorry. Here paddle 1. We need to change that to paddle 2. Yeah, now it's working. Our two paddles are moving, but still there is a problem. Our paddle are going outside of our canvas, so we want to fix that. Let's write a statement for that. If paddle 1 x greater than canvas height minus 200, minus height minus 200, then our player 1 up, player 1 down is equal to false, and else player 1 down is equal to true. If our paddle greater than canvas height minus 200, then our event listener will stop when this button not work, else it will work. Okay, now let's create this for upward. If paddle 1y less than the canvas height minus 300, player 1 up is equal to false, else player 1 up equal to true. Here not paddle 1x, paddle y. Sorry, here I was spelling mistake. Oh, now it's ready. Okay, it's working. Now let's create this for our paddle 2. Let's copy paste it. If paddle 2 y, paddle 2 up, paddle 2 up, paddle 2 y, paddle 2 down, and paddle 2 down. Change all to paddle 2. Now let's check that. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Now let's create our hit condition. If our ball hit the paddle, the ball wants to go the opposite direction. So let's create the condition. If the ball x is less than or equal to paddle 1x plus paddle width, and ball y is greater than paddle 1y, and ball y is less than paddle 1y plus paddle 1 height. If this is true, our ball wants to go the opposite direction. So ball x is equal to minus ball xt. Let's check is it working or not. Yeah, it's working. Now let's create this for our second paddle. Okay, here change the name to paddle 2, and paddle 2, here paddle 2 height. Okay, then here not less than equal to, here greater than. Now we don't need the plus paddle width. We need to remove that. And yeah, this, I think it's work. Let's try. Yeah, it's working. So we are going to take this code from here, cut, and create a function called game over. Function game, we can not game over, game restart, and now paste the code here, and we want to remove this and add window dot location dot reload, and clear interval. And we want to clear our interval. For that, first we want to set our interval in a variable. Set let interval is equal to set interval. Okay, now call that variable inside clear interval. Okay, when the ball hit the width of the canvas, the page will reload and game will restart. Okay, let's call a function here game restart. Now let's check. Yeah, it's restarting. Let's try. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's restarted. It's hard to play. Yeah, yeah, okay. This is only today's video. Hope we can see in next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.